In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge a no-show fee on Acuity in our complete 2025 guide. If you've ever faced the frustration of clients not turning up for their appointments, leaving your schedule empty and your time wasted, this is definitely the guide for you. The good news is that Acuity provides a seamless way to mitigate this issue by charging a no-show fee, and today, I'm gonna walk you through the process step by step. First, open your internet browser and navigate to acuityscheduling.com. This is where we'll start our journey. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper corner of the screen where you'll notice the login button. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. Now enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your Acuity account. This is your central hub for managing your appointments and settings, so make sure your login details are secure and handy. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the payment settings section. This can be located in your account administration tabs. This section is essential for configuring payment related options and now for setting up no-show fees. When you open the payment settings, next, under payment rules, you will find an option that says require full payment or deposit when booking. This is the feature we'll use to ensure clients commit financially when they book their appointments. Toggle this option on. Doing so will allow you to set a deposit amount, which in this case will be your no-show fee. Go ahead and input the amount you wish to charge as a no-show fee. This might vary depending on your business model, so set it at a level that reflects the inconvenience of a missed appointment. Once you've entered the fee, it's crucial to be transparent with your clients about this policy. Head over to the cancellation policy in the same settings section. Here, clearly state that the deposit used as a no-show fee is non-refundable. Transparency is key to maintaining good client relations and ensuring there are no misunderstandings down the line. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. Once saved, these changes will automatically take effect, and the fee will be charged to your clients when they book an appointment. It's a great way to protect your time and ensure clients are mindful of their appointments. And there you have it. A straightforward method to charge a no-show fee on Acuity. This setup not only aids in accountability from your clients, but also respects the value of your time and effort. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this guide helps you manage your appointments more effectively and efficiently. Until next time, keep organizing efficiently and take charge of your schedule like a pro.